Hi, this is Anthony Zamora, and this is... What's your name?
Mickey.
Mickey what?
Zamora.
And in honor of Hurricane Irene, today we're going to show you how a hurricane feels like. Come with me. So we're getting in this hurricane thing, and we're going to go through a hurricane. Here we go! Hurricane Irene! Whoa! And I'm live right here at the hurricane. High winds of 45 miles an hour. We got somebody. Oh, that's it. Really? Okay. Goodbye.
Wait.